Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Apple ID with two-factor authentication. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start the authentication process, ensure that your device is connected to the internet. Open your device and go to the Settings app. Tap on your name at the top of the Settings menu. Scroll down and select Password and Security. Look for the option that says Two-Factor Authentication. If it's not already enabled, tap on Turn on Two. You will need to enter your trusted phone number. This number will receive a verification code whenever you try to log in. Choose whether you want to receive the code via text message or phone call. After entering your phone number, tap Next. You will receive a verification code shortly. Enter the verification code in the provided field and tap Next. Once verified, you will be prompted to set up your trusted devices can unlock and verify your identity for future logins. Make sure to add any other devices you regularly use. After adding your devices, review your security settings. Consider setting up recovery options, such as security questions. Once everything is set up, you will be ready to use two-factor authentication. The next time you log into your Apple ID, a verification code will be sent to your trusted devices. Enter the code on your device to complete the login process. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. You have successfully authenticated your Apple ID with two-factor authentication. Enjoy the enhanced security that comes with it. If the page does not load, make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.